Hi, this is Francis Imoy. Today we're going to learn how to basic things we can see in the kitchen. Okay? So, kutsilyo, tenedor, kutsara, labador, palanggana, kaldero, sa paman, kita nimo, lamisa, sundang, ispading. Okay, so we're going to name it one by one. Yes, baby? There's nothing. He said there's nothing. Okay. Knife. Knife means kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. Spoon. Kutsara. Kutsara. Fork. Tenedor. Tinidor. Bolo. Sundang. Sundang. What more? What more? I forget. What more? What did I say? Sa painaa sa kusina. Chopping board, chopping board. Chopping board. Tadtaran. Tadtaran. What more in the kitchen? Kalaha. 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 Sa pa may naasa mo ang kusina? Salahan. Salahan. Okay? So I think it's very limited in our kitchen because we are just started here transferring in our house. So it's very limited. So I hope to see more kitchen utensils in our house later on. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Do you want to talk?
No.
Sige.
Kuya.
Kuya, come here.
First I need slippers.
No slipper ah.
Di money in it.
Ala.
Wow. Light. I like light. Hi everybody.